Good morning. It is the end of August and I need to finish cleaning up the peaches from my peach tree. Lots of them are dropping on the ground and there are still tons on the plant, but the birds and the squirrels and stuff have been getting to them. So it is time to finish pulling them off. Even though they aren't necessarily super soft, I haven't found them to really be getting soft, feeling like they're ready to come off. I've still been picking them because they've been getting picked off by the birds and falling off the tree. So even though they don't seem like they're ready, I'm going to go ahead and pick the rest of them off so I can get them before the birds do. You can see right behind here the cotton candy apium. I did top that a little over a month ago to get some of the vigor off and keep it down to about 6 feet. This tree I've really struggled with. I have all these braces under it to hold up the limbs. They got really heavy with fruit, and actually I had put these under here several months ago, and then I guess maybe the birds going after the fruit caused them to fall, and the whole tree was on the ground almost. So I pulled off a ton of fruit and started picking the fruit even though it didn't seem like it was ready, in order to kind of hold the tree together. I am not sure how to handle this going forward. I'm thinking about potentially doing a really severe prune and foregoing next year's crop to kind of deal with the fact that the tree just doesn't seem to be able to support the weight of the fruit. Granted, I thought I had pruned really or thinned really well, and I didn't. The weight of the fruit about a month ago was so heavy that it actually broke this branch. So this is why I'm thinking I need to do a very severe prune this year so that I can remove some of this very weak branching that can't really hold the fruit. You can see how pushed over all these branches are because the weight just kind of pulled them down.